Whatever I show you guys here today, you can't show to anybody else. Today we'll be making our aloe vera soap bars. Our aloe vera soap bars are amazing for people with sensitive skin, amazing for people who want clean skin, while also leaving their face hydrated without clogging any pores. We're gonna use about 100 grams of this stuff. Now we're gonna heat these oils up. Now we're gonna put in like the actual aloe vera.